Dear guys, I make a diagram internal structure of kidney. First, we draw a single line, then I make renal artery, renal vein and ureter. Then structure of renal pyramid is formed. Next, ureter is connected to all renal pyramids and renal pyramids is drawn internally. Next, we make different branches of renal vein. Next, these renal vein branches connected to canonical shape. Next, we make renal artery branches, and these renal artery branches connected one by one to renal pyramids. Then these branches one by one are connected to each other. Then diagram clearly is shown. Dear guys, then we label completely diagram. Okay, goodbye.